The band is the dessert. Forest Brook High School in the North Forest School District. Eyewitness sports reporter Kim Harms and I decided to investigate reports that this band is hot, or hype as the kids say. They are the show before the show, entertaining themselves as much as the fans in the stands, or in this case, under the stands. These kids are jamming even before they hit the stadium. It's the universal language. And high school Friday night football, that's pure Texas. Why do people get so excited about Friday night high school football?
It's just a tradition that everyone has become a part of.
I'm a true believer in letting students have a freedom to be successful individually by themselves without, without too much over supervision.
Dave Ward played the trumpet in his band in high school, and I was a flautist, but high school band was never like this. Trust me, dancing in the stands is Forest Brook's trademark, and they also have their own brand of playing on the field.
Now, the players will tell you the football game's the most important thing, but listen and watch this. Hey, guys, what's the best part about high school football?
And it's halftime. You go out there, what's going through your mind?
I'm going to do this dance. I'm going to get it good. I want everybody to see. It's going to be fun.
How would you describe it to someone who's never seen it?
I would describe it as